If you want to continue earning with us for free through Binance Crypto Trading Exchange, then you need to take this video very, very serious, because Binance has actually introduced a new mechanism called Binance Alpha Point. And this Binance Alpha Point is like an instrument used to measure your eligibility to some certain activities and certain airdrop on the Binance application. So recently, Binance just announced a new airdrop called Hida, whereby the people who are going to be receiving this airdrop totally free are the people who have actually got certain amount of Binance Alpha Points. So watch the video to the end, because on this video, I'm going to be teaching you what is Binance Alpha Points, how you can be able to accumulate it for free, and also how you can be able to accumulate it without even doing anything. So all is going to be revealed on this video. Make sure you watch it to the end. And right now, a very quick one. What is Binance Alpha Point? Binance Alpha Point is just like the instrument or the measure to how users are qualifying to participate on some certain activities where they are going to be earning for free through Binance. For example, you may have in one way or the other heard about the Binance exclusive token generation event on Pancake, which we have been participating on through Binance application. Personally, I have made up to $75 under 30 minutes without doing anything, without trading, and that was just through Binance exclusive TGE. But currently, they have now limited the users who can interact or be able to participate on such activities again, and that is only by Binance Alpha Point. On this video, I'm going to be revealing everything to you, and I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to accumulate these Binance Alpha Points for free, and all you need to know about the Binance Alpha Point. So welcome to my channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly first of all like this video you are watching right now and join the family by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Also, you can join our Telegram community by simply using the link right there on the video description box. So with all this being said right now, let's now dive in. Let me teach you all you need to know about the Binance Alpha Point and how you can be able to accumulate it starting right now. Coming over here right now, the first thing you need to make sure is that your Binance is up to date. Make sure your Binance app is up to date. All right. So right now, the first thing you need to do to be able to locate the Binance Alpha Point section is to go ahead and click over here that we have more. You click on it, and once click on it, you need to scroll down. You need to scroll down until you see here that we have information, and over here on information, this is Alpha Point right here. You click on it, okay? And right now, guys, you can see this is what your total point is. For example, mine is 18, and this is calculated for the past 15 days. Right now, they quickly explain what Alpha Point is. They went ahead to say that Binance Alpha Point is a scoring system designed to evaluate users' activity within the Binance Alpha and Binance Wallet ecosystem, which determines your eligibility for campaigns such as token generation event and alpha token airdrop. Okay, they also went ahead to say that Binance Alpha points are calculated daily based on the sum of your asset balance and alpha token purchase volume on Binance Exchange and Binance Wallet, which is keyless. When we talk about keyless, we mean the one that comes together with Binance, not the one that you imported. Okay, so they said, please note that selling alpha token do not contribute to Alpha Point at the current stage. So right now, pay close attention. I'm going to be explaining to you right now. I'm going to be explaining everything right now. So right now, they also went ahead to say that the Alpha Points are the Alpha Points are a cumulative sum of daily points combining Binance points and volume over past 15 days. So for the past 15 days, guys, this is only what I was able to come up with. And for example, right now, when you scroll down a little bit, I am holding an alpha token called Canal, which is the one I made a video about just a couple of days ago. And for just holding it, I have been able to be earning some point for it. I'm earning about 1 point every single day for that, and that's why I was able to accumulate up to 18 points for now. So they also went ahead to give you to explain the rules guiding this point earning. So when you click on the drop down, you can see that your total asset holding on Binance Exchange, which include spot listed tokens across all accounts and alpha accounts, and Binance Wallet limited to alpha tokens and token available on Binance Spot market only. Any token not supported in spot or alpha trading, such as LSD tokens, are not considered eligible assets. So what I needed to pay close attention to right now is here that we have that this right here. It means that if you are holding, they are now talking about holding a coin, all right? So if you are now holding any token that is up to $100, and less than $1,000, you are going to be earning 1 point every single day, all right, for just holding it. This one doesn't require you to do anything. You simply hold the token and you are earning 1 point every single day. But if you are holding a token up to $1,000 and above, up to $10,000, you are going to be earning 2 points every single day. But if you're holding a token up to $10,000 and up to, from $10,000 to $100,000, then you are going to be earning 3 points every single day. This one is just hold the token, not trade, not do anything. All right. So, but if you're holding a token more than $100,000, then you are going to be earning 4 points every single day. This one right here is very, very stressful because many people out there may not be able to be holding a token up to this worth. All right. But pay close attention because I'm about to teach you how you can be able to accumulate plenty of these points if you have just even $2 on your account. But the $2 is not going to be, you are not going to be losing it. You are only going to be using it to generate more and more and more alpha points, which is going to be qualifying you to receive a lot of airdrop and also qualify you to participate on token generation events. This alpha point is the way forward if you want to keep earning on Binance for free. So coming over here to rules of volume points, this is one of the most important parts. So I will click on this drop down, and over here, let me explain. Your alpha token purchase on Binance Exchange and or Binance Wallet, 1 point for the first $2. Now let me explain. So this actually include any trade that you make on Binance Exchange or Binance Wallet. All right. So but they also went ahead to say that the first trade that you are going to be making, whether less than $2, you are going to be earning 1 point for it. So 1 point for the first $2 trade. And over here they also went ahead to say that plus 1 point for each doubling, meaning that if you trade 4 points, you get 2 points. If you trade if you trade $4, you get 2 points. If you trade $8, you get 3 points. And over here, this is the total drop down. But coming over here, you can see if you trade or if you make your volume to increase up till $512, then you are also going to be receiving 9 points. That is how simple it is. So right now, guys, you can see the first way to earn this point is through holding an alpha token, and the second way is through trading an alpha token. Because if you are trading an alpha token, you are building up your volume, and if your volume gets up to $500 and even more, that determines the amount of points you are going to be earning for it. So it is not really easy, but if you give it time and keep on doing it, then you can earn up to 1,000 points depending on the amount you are using and also the time you invest in it. So right now, guys, you can see this is a total breakdown of how I was able to accumulate my points. But one thing you need to take note of right here is that any point that you accumulate today, you are not going to be seeing it here immediately. It is going to be updated the next day around 6 a.m. I think. All right. So right now, let's go back and talk about how to actually build up your volume to accumulate even more alpha points. So what you need to do is coming over here to your Binance interface, then you go ahead and click on this market. I will click on market, and when you click on market, you can see we have favorite, we have market, we have alpha, we have grow, we have square, and we have data. So coming over here to alpha, all these tokens listed right here, most of them or all of them are meme coin. You know what we mean by meme coin? Or most of them or all of them are meme coin, meaning that it actually comes with a lot of trading risk, meaning that trading this token, they are very, very volatile. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. They are very, very volatile, meaning that their price can easily go up, giving you a lot of gain, and their price can also easily go down very deep and leaving you with losses. All right. So right now, let's talk about how to build up your volume. To be able to build up your volume, all you have to do is come over here. Okay, you come over here, you select any token of your choice. You can see that we have tokens that are listed under Solana blockchain, just as you can see the logo right here, and we also have some tokens listed under Binance Smart Chain. But another thing that you need to note right here is that some tokens are also listed on Base network and also on Ethereum network and so on. But what you need to know right here is that a fee is included in this. So if you remember when I talked about the meme box on gate.io, this is just like it. All right. So for example, right now, to be able to trade this token called AIOT, which is this right now. I will click on it, and over here guys, you're gonna be seeing the chart right now, and you're gonna be seeing the button saying trade. You click on trade right now. Let me show you what I needed to understand right here. You can see the amount of USDT that you have is going to be showing up right here, and just give it a little time. And right now, let's put the amount of token you want to buy. So for example, I want to be buying 500 USDT worth of the token. What you need to take note of here is the fee attached to it. All right, so right now you can see I'm going to be paying about $0.33 fee right here for just trading right here. So any trade that you make right here is going to be coming with $0.33 fee, but the volume that you are building are all the same. For example, if I trade 500 worth of USDT for this right now, then I'm going to be earning $500 volume. You know, this is in turn going to be giving me certain amount of, you know, alpha points right there. And remember, selling alpha token, for example, right now, if I've made this purchase right now, for example, I will click on place order right now. Okay, right now I'm going to be giving you this disclaimer. You click on this right now, then you click on confirm. Okay, so this is going to be asking you to confirm again. You click on confirm, and immediately your trade is going to be going through, and they are going to be minusing your minusing this right now. You can see order feed immediately, and right now you can see we have now traded this right now. And right now, remember that if you want to sell it back, if you want to sell this token back, it is not going to be adding up to your trading volume. It is not going to be adding up. So right now I want to selling it back. I'll click on max right now. Okay, watch to the end. Okay, so this is the amount of USDT that I'm going to be getting, 499. All right, so you can see this is what I'm going to be receiving. So selling back is also coming with a fee, and even buying is coming with a fee. You can see this is what I'm going to be getting back for this that I just, you know, made right now. For this trade that I just made right now, I'm going to be running on a loss of about $5. This is a kind of scary, but you know, it depends on the percentage that is required for this. You can see priority on price. You can see you need to check out the percentage required on this. All right, so right now I'm going to be selling it back right now. Okay, I will click on place order, and immediately I click on place order, I will click on confirm. Right now your order is going to be filled, and this confirms that you can actually sell a token that you are buying right here. So going back right now, let's check out another token under buying under Solana. So coming over here on Solana, this is it right here. We have this one called KMNO. Remember, that's all these tokens that I'm making purchase of right here. I didn't do any research, and you should make sure you do your research before you buy any token right here or hold it even. So I will click on trade right now. Then I need to impute the amount that I want to spend on this. For example, another 500. So right now guys, this is going to be showing me something right here. You can see the priority. Okay, you can see right here we have the priority on price. This is the percentage that are going to be taking is about $1. And over here guys, the network fee for this is very less. The fee I'm going to be paying is 0.02, and the one I traded on Binance Smart Chain is actually 0.33. All right, so right now I will click on place order right now, and right now I will confirm it right now, and immediately the order is going through right now. And if you check it very well, I have now accumulated up to $1,000 trading volume. All right, so right now to be able to sell it back, I will click on this button right here. I will click on it. Then I need to, you know, the token hasn't arrived yet. Just give it a little time to update. Okay, and you can see right here that it is still processing. All right, it is still processing right here. Just give it a little time to actually go through. And right now guys, the order has gone through. So right now I will click on this button right here, and right now I want to be selling it back. So I will click on max right now, and over here guys, you can see just right now that I bought, you can see this one is a lot better right now. It is a lot better. You can see the other one I bought 500 watts, and I was, you know, I was able to get 495 at the end, but this one I bought $500 worth, and right here I'm getting even more than what I just bought. So the token you purchase and the blockchain that you purchase through actually matters. So right now I will click on place order right now. I immediately I click on place order. I will click on confirm, and right now guys, immediately my order is going to be going through. You can see it is still processing, and within just a space of 30 seconds to 1 minute, it will be going through immediately. Okay. And right now guys, I think I got a Binance notification, but I think I'm having a network issue right here. So I will go back and I will click on trade again. Let me see if it has gone through. Okay, you can see it has gone through, but the network was actually delaying. So right now guys, you can see immediately I have been able to build up my volume to up to $1,000 right now. So this is actually leaving me with, you know, about 18 points tomorrow. All right, this is leaving me with about 18 points tomorrow. So assuming that you have made any purchase right here and you want to trace how it has actually gone through, all you need to do is simply click over here on this button right here. You click on it. This is going to be showing you the total history of what you have actually gone through. So over here, I've made the purchase of $500 and $500, which is the $1,000 volume that I've already built. But for example, right now, if you have actually bought a token and you want to check out how or where it is stored, you need to come over here to your assets. Then over here you can see we have a lot of token right here on the holdings, but when you click over here on Alpha, this is where any token that you bought on the Alpha or on the Alpha page is going to be showing. This is where it's going to be showing, and this is simply all you need to know about the Binance Alpha points, how you can earn them, and all you need to know. This is all you need to know right now. And remember to keep on building your volume, because the more volume that you have is actually going to be determining if you are going to be qualifying for some certain airdrops or not. So this is simple how it is, guys. So go ahead and take the action from here, and if you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section and I'll be trying my best to answer you immediately. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you find this video very helpful. Thank you, and I'll talk to you on the next video dropping very soon.